I want to show you the outhouse. Yeah.
Go ahead. Where do you put the paper? You put the paper in here? Huh. Now what? Now what do you get? What's that? Oh, what's that?
Scoop poop.
Scoop poop?
Yeah.
Oh, let's see what it is. Oh.
What's in there?
Scoop poop.
I thought it was poop sugar.
Poop sugar.
Poop sugar. Oh, there you go. Clean it off. Shut the lid. Put it back. Oh, you're washing your hands. Well, thank you.
That's how you use the outhouse.
That's how you use the outhouse.
Okay.